Ooh, I've been trying to do this intro for the longest, child. Ooh, I've been trying to do it for the longest because this light is playing with me. But we're back. We're better. Let's go. Hey y'all, hey, it's Alyssa K and welcome back to my channel. So this is basically like an update type vlog type thing. So from the title of this video, you can already tell, or you will already know, that I have been accepted to grad school. Yay me. So I got accepted to the University of Central Florida's Masters in Communication program. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful. I would not have guessed that I would have been here, since I was so adamant that I was not going back to school after I graduated. But here I am, going to pursue my master's, and being that you know, I'm going to grad school and I chose to do face-to-face classes, I moved as well. So this is my apartment behind me. Don't mind this box, I just got some new clothes. This is my apartment. It's been great. There's so many things I've like started or getting ready to start, and it's very exciting. This is my first like real apartment, you know, where this is my furniture. I paid full bills, I pay for my electricity, I pay my utilities. Like, this is my place. So yeah, I'm very excited to start this journey. I did vlog a little bit of the process. So it is Friday. I keep thinking today's Saturday, but today's Friday, and it's officially moving day. Yes. So my mom is in front of, well, my grandma's in front of me. I'm driving the U-Haul because we are on the way to go pick up my sofa and my love seat, and then we gotta go back home to get my mattress and all my clothes, y'all. I have so much clothes, it's ridiculous. I have like 4 boxes of shoes, and not like small boxes, like large boxes of shoes. I have about like 8 to 10 trash bags of the clothes that were in my closet. Then I have like the big storage bags, like the ones you get the vacuum and stuff out of. I have about like 4 of those. I already took some of those to my apartment. And then I have 4 full dresser things of clothes. So yeah, I feel like the thing that's gonna take me the longest is just my clothes and my shoes, just get that organized. But yeah, it's moving day and stuff. So after a long drive, it really wasn't that long, but it felt like forever because there's so much traffic. I am here in my apartment. You can probably hear it like an echo because I have nothing. I'll give you like a short little tour of my place. Oh. So this is the front door. You come in from the front door. So you walk in, it's like a dining room area. As of right now, this is gonna stay blank because that's not a priority. Then we're gonna have like my living room area right here. Let's see if we can. That's not what I wanted. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna have my living room right here, my love seat, sofa. Then my TV's gonna hang right there. Put my desk over here because I'm here for grad school. Gotta be studious. Then, oh wait. Okay, so this is my kitchen. So it's very small, but I don't cook, so it don't matter. It's a lot of like storage space, flat top. Got that little stuff because I was here Monday. It's my fridge. And then this is my washer and dryer. And that's just the pantry, dishwasher, sink. Then you can go to the bathroom either way. We're gonna go this way. This is my bathroom. Well, let me turn off these lights because girls gotta pay utilities. This is the bathroom. Yeah, here we go. So it's pink, you know, pink vibes, love pink. And here is me. And my bathroom, this is my mirror. Then once you go to the left, flight. This is my bedroom. So my vanity and stuff is gonna go over there. My bed's gonna go here, and then that is my closet, and my TV is gonna go here. So yeah, that's what we're working with. My rug just got here. So that's good. So we got most of the stuff up. Me and my grandma decided, me and her, we're gonna move up all this stuff. Why did we decide that? I have my sofa, my love seat, my bed, my dresser, all my clothes, all my decorations, everything. We did it. Took us about like an hour and a half. I don't know if you can see from my face, but I'm sweating. I am tired. I am breathing hard. Oh, child. I think it's gonna look real good because this is gonna be like set up. Yes, I think this is gonna turn out really, really cute. Oh, I'm so excited. And yeah, here I am now. So I basically am just doing this video as an update, letting you know that your girl, you know, is a grad student, sis. Like, yes. I am just so happy that I'm in this position. I just feel like it's gonna be great. Everybody always says 2020 is gonna be a great year, but like I really feel it in my bones. I've prayed about this. I spoke to God about it. I've had signs of clarification. I have had, it's gonna be great. 2020 is it, period. Smallest like little PSA, always speak stuff into existence. I spoke me going to UCF before I even got my acceptance into UCF. I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to UCF in January, when I didn't even apply yet. It's just all about manifesting what you want. Yeah, that is my update. I plan to do like grad school vlogs and everything. You know, it's gonna be litty up in the O. Thank y'all for tuning in. This is the end of my video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. P.S. Don't mind this light. The sun is tripping. The sun won't let me be great. You feel like, look at this. Look at this. You can't even catch the full beat. It's whatever. Bye, y'all.